Hey friends, this is Mohammad Wasmalik and welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Today we're gonna talk about upcoming Sony Xperia 3 2020. Let's have a look. Sony took a risk 2019 with an ultra-panoramic design that made the phone very elongated. It seems that this will continue at least in the main line of 2020. We will have a mobile with very narrow frame on the front and curved glass finished back with a huge 6 cameras model. The screen of the Xperia 3 would be, according to the leaks, as ambitious as that of the Xperia 1 last year. A panel with a resolution of 3840 by 1644 pixels with a diagonal of 6.5. It will have HDR, the panel will be OLED, and if it is like last year, it will have a lot of certifications to see high definition content of the best possible way. Sony will bet the Snapdragon 865, a top of the range processor, called to become the most powerful for Android this year. It is accompanied by 12 GB of RAM. Interestingly, Sony manufactured the cameras of the mobile phone, but its systems were not fully equipped. In 2019, things changed by adding 3 cameras of the Xperia 1, and according to the rumors, the Xperia 3 will have 6 cameras. 2 of them will have variable aperture f1.2/2.4, and in addition to telephoto and wide angle, there will be a top depth sensor and another sensors that could be monochrome. The battery was one of the weak points of the previous flagship, and now it will get batteries with 4120 mAh and fast charging, although what type of the technology it will use has not been leaked. We can expect Bluetooth 5.0 high speed, USB Type-C, dual band, Wi-Fi with 8K Rio 585 processing cores. The new upcoming Sony Xperia 3 2020 have a clock frequency of up to 2.84 GHz, 5th generation mobile network, powerful 6 cameras, the front camera of 20 megapixel main frame, 48 and 12 megapixels, f/1.2-f/2.4 aperture, 16 megapixel and 8 megapixels maximum aperture of f/2.4, Adreno 650 graphics, and 1 PDDR5 RAM controller. So guys, this is a fresh information about upcoming Sony Xperia 3 2020. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comment sections that how do you like this video. If you like it, please click the subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will receive our upcoming videos. Till the next video, peace out, take care, bye bye.